Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to update your mods in Project Zomboid. First, most Steam Workshop mods update automatically when their author releases a new version. Steam should download updates in the background when you launch Steam or Project Zomboid. You'll often see small workshop-related downloads in your Steam downloads queue when mods update. If a mod doesn't seem to update properly, or is still old after Steam says it's updated, the reliable method is to unsubscribe and then resubscribe to that mod. Go to the mod Steam Workshop page, click unsubscribe, wait a few seconds, then click subscribe again. This forces Steam to re-download the latest version of the mod files. Sometimes Steam can get stuck and fail to refresh the workshop files. In that case, you can delete the mods folder manually from your Steam folder. Steam Apps, Workshop, Content, then the 108600 directory, which is the Project Zomboid app ID, and then restart Steam. Steam will re-download the mod fresh from the workshop. If you're playing on a multiplayer server and mods were updated on the workshop, you often need to restart the server so it downloads the new versions too. Servers can't update workshop mods while running. Then when clients join, Steam automatically syncs the updated mods. For stubborn mod mismatches like version mismatch errors, another trick is to unsubscribe from all mods under subscribe items in the Steam Workshop. Then relaunch Project Zomboid so Steam purges old files and re-downloads everything clean. And that's how you update mods in Project Zomboid. Thanks for watching.